In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between category rotation and rotator rotation. Now, what do I mean by that? Music One will schedule my COVID-19 announcements in rotation 1, 2, 3, 4 through 8, and then repeat them 1, 2, 3, 4 through 8 in rotation. Music One will schedule each unit, and each will have its own unique cart or UID that goes into the playlist that goes to the automation system. If your automation system has the ability to handle rotators, then these units can be collected into a folder within the automation system itself, and Music One will schedule just the one rotator card. The automation system will then select the individual track that will be played in rotation. I'll create a new non-music category named COVID Rotator. I've already created the cart in my automation system and it's been imported, and I'll move that into my new category. If I put the category COVID-19 on my format clocks, Music One will schedule these tracks individually, putting each cart number into the playlist. If I put COVID Rotator on the format clocks, Music One will schedule just this one number, and the automation system will then see that number and pick and play the next one up in rotation. Now I have finished the schedule, and as I click through the day, you see I've got COVID Rotator at the top of every hour. Let's jump over to the automation system. Here we are in our Playout 1, and there are the COVID announcements, each with its own cart or UID number. And here's the COVID Rotator cart with its number. And look what happens when I drop the rotator into an active playlist. The next track in rotation appears. Let's go back to Music One now. This is the most common way to schedule non-music things: station promos, generic liners, jingles, community announcements. It's flexible, it's easy, you have full control of each track, you can hour restrict, you can day part each track. The one problem it presents comes when you have already scheduled several days ahead and you need to make a last-minute change to the category. Maybe you need to get some new tracks in, or you want to get something out of play right away. You want to pull some tracks. Now, if your automation system has a rotator cart function, Music One is scheduling just one thing. That's the rotator cart number. The automation system then will play every unit in the folder in rotation. If you add an audio file to the automation system rotator folder, it's on the air in rotation immediately, as soon as its number comes up. If you delete a file from the automation rotator folder, it's out of play immediately.